Hello everyone, I am Mark Andre Ortega and I'm thrilled to share that I'm heading to the iconic Philippines Arena, one of the largest indoor arenas in the Philippines, for what I'm sure will be an amazing experience. And I started my journey at 3 o'clock p.m. and after a smooth ride, I safely arrived at 3:48 p.m., making my travel time around 48 minutes. I travel with via motorcycle, a convenient way to navigate through roads and get to my destination efficiently. And we already passed by SM Marilao along the way. And now we're almost here at Philippines Arena. And for our safety reminders, always wear a properly fitted helmet, follow traffic rules, maintain a safe speed, and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Ensure the motorcycles is in good working condition before traveling. Keep valuables secure and be mindful of your surroundings when parking. I finally arrived at the Philippine Arena. Come explore it with me and please keep watching till the end. Before I go on the tour, this is actually my first time visiting the Philippine Arena. I didn't know there's a parking fee here. Once we got off the vehicle, we immediately headed straight here. And now, you can see the Philippine Arena from a distance so that it can be seen more clearly. Right now, we can see the Philippine Arena up close. Did you know that major events and concerts are held here? When it comes to concerts, many local and international artists have already performed on its stage, like Blackpink, who are South Korea's #1 girl group. Their latest successful concerts took place on November 22 and 23 in 2025. Other artists who have held shows here include Twice, Bruno Mars, Olivia Rodrigo, IU, and many more. Now, we are here in the parking lot and you can also see that there is a food court around here. Also, there are Marvel superhero statues standing around here, along with Po, the main character from Kung Fu Panda, and there's a playground over here too. As we walk on our way to the Philippine Sports Stadium, we will see or pass by the Garden Ciudad de Victoria. I will just include the entrance fee information in the video so you can find out about it. After we pass by the Garden Ciudad de Victoria, we have now arrived in the front of the Philippine Sports Stadium. And here is where this video ends. Thank you all so much for watching.